Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of HostGator, a hosting giant that's been powering websites since 2002. Picture this. Over 2 decades ago, when social media was just a dream and most people were still on dial-up, HostGator was already helping entrepreneurs build their digital empires. Fast forward to today, and they're hosting millions of websites worldwide. But here's the million-dollar question. Is HostGator still worth your money in 2025? Grab your coffee, settle in, and let me tell you the complete HostGator story. The feature arsenal. What's under the hood? Imagine walking into a digital toolshed where every tool you need to build a website is perfectly organized and ready to use. That's essentially what HostGator offers. Their hosting lineup reads like a menu at a 5-star restaurant. There's something for everyone's appetite. Starting with shared hosting, it's like getting your first apartment. You're sharing resources with neighbors, but you get all the essentials: unlimited storage, unmetered bandwidth, and your own space to grow. Then there's VPS hosting. Think of it as upgrading to a house where you have more control and privacy. For those running digital empires, dedicated hosting is like owning a mansion where every resource belongs exclusively to you. But here's where HostGator gets interesting. They offer WordPress hosting that's specifically tuned for WordPress sites. It's like having a car mechanic who only works on your favorite brand. They know every bolt, every optimization trick, every performance tweak. Their cloud hosting is the modern marvel, scalable, flexible, and ready to handle whatever traffic storm comes your way. For the entrepreneurs among us, HostGator's reseller hosting lets you become the hosting provider yourself. It's like getting a franchise opportunity in the digital world. And for those who break into cold sweats at the thought of coding, their drag-and-drop website builder is like having a professional designer work for free. Hundreds of templates, zero coding required. The cherry on top? Free website migration. Moving from another host is like having professional movers handle your precious belongings. HostGator's team does the heavy lifting while you sit back and relax. The money talk. What will this adventure cost you? Now comes the plot twist that every hosting story has: the pricing roller coaster. HostGator's introductory prices are like that irresistible first date, charming, attractive, and designed to win you over. But just like relationships, the real test comes later. Let me paint you the real picture. The hatchling plan starts at what seems like a steal: $275 per month for a 36-month commitment. You get one website, free SSL, and those magical one-click installs. Sounds perfect, right? But here's where the story takes a turn. When renewal time comes, that friendly $275 jumps to $10.99 per month for 3-year terms, or a shocking $17.59 per month if you go month to month. The baby plan, which lets you host unlimited websites, follows the same pattern, starting at $350 per month, but climbing to $16.49 per month on renewal. The business plan begins at $525 per month, but transforms into $21.99 per month after your honeymoon period ends. It's like buying a car where the first year's payments are incredibly low, but then reality sets in. For VPS hosting, you're looking at $23.95 per month to start, while dedicated servers begin their journey at $89.98 per month. Cloud hosting starts around $4.95 per month, and WordPress optimized packages kick off near $5.95 per month. The lesson here? Budget for the long game, not just the promotional pricing. It's a common industry practice, but one that catches many first-time website owners off guard. When you need help, the support safety net picture. This scenario: it's 2 a.m., your website is down, and you're in full panic mode. This is where HostGator's support becomes your digital superhero. They offer 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and email. No matter when disaster strikes, someone's there to help. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who never sleeps. Their knowledge base is like a vast library filled with tutorials, guides, and FAQs. Whether you're trying to install WordPress, set up email accounts, or troubleshoot a mysterious error, chances are someone's written a step-by-step guide just for you. For more complex issues, their ticketing system lets you submit detailed problems, and their team usually responds within a reasonable time frame. The live chat feature is particularly handy for urgent issues, though during peak hours, you might find yourself in a virtual waiting room. But in my experience, HostGator's support agents are patient, professional, and genuinely want to solve your problems, not just get you off the chat. The bright side: why people love HostGator. Let me tell you why millions of website owners have chosen HostGator as their digital home. First, there's the user-friendly factor. HostGator uses cPanel, which is like the universal language of web hosting. If you've used any other host before, you'll feel right at home. Even if you haven't, cPanel is intuitive enough that you won't need a computer science degree to manage your website. The reliability factor is impressive. HostGator boasts 99.9% uptime, which means your website stays online virtually all the time. In the digital world, downtime equals lost money, lost visitors, and lost opportunities. HostGator understands this. Their scalability story is compelling too. You can start with basic shared hosting for your blog and eventually grow to a dedicated server for your booming business, all under the same roof. It's like having a hosting provider that grows with your dreams. The inclusion of free SSL certificates is no small matter. In today's security-conscious world, SSL isn't optional. It's essential for visitor trust and search engine rankings. HostGator includes this valuable feature at no extra cost. And let's not forget the 30-day money-back guarantee. It's like test driving a car before committing to buy it. You can explore HostGator's features, test their performance, and make sure it fits your needs without financial risk. The plot twists: what might give you pause? Every good story has its challenges, and HostGator's tale includes a few plot twists you should know about. The biggest one is those renewal rate increases we discussed earlier. It's not unique to HostGator, but the price jumps can be substantial, sometimes tripling your monthly costs. The backup situation is another consideration. While HostGator offers backup services, their basic plans don't include comprehensive backup solutions. You'll need to purchase additional backup services or handle backups yourself. It's like buying a car without comprehensive insurance. Possible, but risky. Here's something that surprises many newcomers. HostGator doesn't include a free domain with their shared hosting plans. While many competitors throw in a free domain for the first year, HostGator expects you to purchase or bring your own domain. It's not a deal breaker, but it's an additional cost to factor in. During the checkout process, you'll encounter HostGator's upselling adventure. They'll offer additional security features, backup services, and various add-ons. While some of these are valuable, the abundance of options can overwhelm newcomers who just want to get their website online. The verdict: who should choose HostGator? As our HostGator story reaches its conclusion, let me help you decide if this hosting provider fits your narrative. HostGator shines brightest for beginners and small to medium-sized websites. If you're starting a blog, launching a small business website, or need reliable hosting with solid support, HostGator's combination of features, ease of use, and scalability makes it an excellent choice. WordPress users will appreciate the optimized WordPress hosting options, while growing businesses can take advantage of the seamless upgrade path from shared to VPS to dedicated hosting. The user-friendly interface and reliable uptime make it particularly appealing for those who want their hosting to just work without constant technical headaches. However, if you're budget conscious for the long term, make sure you factor in those renewal rates. If you need advanced security features or comprehensive backup solutions included by default, you might want to explore specialized providers. And if you're planning a high-traffic, resource-intensive website from day one, consider starting with their higher-tier plans or looking at providers that specialize in high-performance hosting. So there you have it, the complete HostGator story for 2025. It's a tale of reliable hosting, user-friendly features, and scalable solutions, with a few pricing plot twists along the way. HostGator has earned its reputation through 2 decades of service, millions of satisfied customers, and consistent uptime performance. Remember, choosing a hosting provider is like choosing a business partner. You want reliability, support when you need it, and room to grow. HostGator delivers on these fronts. Just make sure you're prepared for the pricing journey ahead. Thanks so much for watching this deep dive into HostGator. If this review helped you make a decision or taught you something new about web hosting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest hosting reviews and website building tips. For even more detailed hosting guides and exclusive deals, head over to dreamhosters.in, your ultimate resource for making smart hosting decisions. Drop a comment below if you have questions about HostGator or want me to review another hosting provider. I love hearing about your hosting adventures and helping you find the perfect digital home for your website. Until next time, happy hosting, and remember, every great website starts with choosing the right foundation.